Have you ever been in a game where your coach gives you tips, watches your progress, and helps you get better? Well, that's performance management in the business world. It's like coaching, but instead of sports, it's for employees at work. What is performance management? Let's start with the famous definition. Performance management is a continuous process of setting goals, measuring progress, giving feedback, and helping people improve to achieve success. In easy words, it's how managers help employees do their best at work, just like teachers help students or coaches help players. It's not about shouting, "Do better." It's about working together to grow. Why is it important? Good performance management helps. Employees know what to do. Companies reach their goals. People stay happy and motivated. Problems get solved quickly. Imagine if a soccer coach never gave feedback. Players wouldn't know what they were doing, right or wrong. The same thing happens at work. That's why performance management is so important. Steps of performance management. Let's break it into simple steps. Set goals. What do you want to achieve? Like scoring 5 goals in a match? Monitor progress. Are you practicing daily? Are you improving? Give feedback. Hey, great job on passing, or try to kick the ball straighter. Reward and improve. Celebrate wins and help fix weaknesses. These steps help people become better every day. Real life example. Let's say Sarah works at a bakery. Her manager sets a goal. Bake 100 cupcakes with perfect icing. Every week they talk about how she's doing. If her cupcakes are amazing, she gets praised. If not, they work together to improve. After a month, she's baking like a pro. That's performance management in action. Here's a great quote by Ken Blanchard. Feedback is the breakfast of champions. That means the more feedback we get, the better we become. So, performance management is just like being a good coach or teacher, helping someone grow step by step. Whether it's baking cupcakes, selling shoes, or designing video games, everyone needs support and feedback to shine. Like this video. Comment. Who gives you the best feedback? Subscribe for more cool business lessons. Simple.